Let's move up! No time to wait! Sowjetische Truppen! Neben den Kisten! Angriff! Angriff! Mann am Boden! Sturm! In Deckung! Er braucht Hilfe! Er wurde getroffen!
Yesterday afternoon, brave German soldiers.
Das wird der Kommunisten!
Burning mortgage in the southern part of the city. The fires were caused by reckless bombardment from Soviet aircraft.
Kommunisten! Neben den Kisten! Unsere Linken!
Thanks to the efforts of our compassionate German soldiers, that normal children from a bright and safe future for the Third Reich.
First floor is clear! Heads out! Sniper! Good! Now wait for Pavel to get that bastard's attention! Pavel, do it!
Yes, comrade.
Fourth floor! Grey building!
He's dead. Good shot, comrade.
Well done, Vasily. Now let's move on. We still have to secure the rest of City Hall. Hier hast du eine Granate! Schwein! Boden! Neumann, in Deckung!
The German Army's medical corps any and all honorable comrades who
Got him!
and treatment. Simply put down your weapons and surrender to the nearest German patrol. It is truly that simple.
Kommunisten! Neben dem Panzer da! Look out, enemy grenade! Kommunisten! Neben dem Panzer da! Schaltet die Russen aus! Auf der Gauger!
Ground floor is clear.
Top floor clear! The building is secure, comrades! We must prepare for their counterattack! Take up defensive positions!
Stick with me.
Хорошо, I am with you! They're starting the attack! Cover me while I reload! Enemy infantry! By the tank! Over to the north! The Germans are moving an MG-42 to the front line! Quickly, take it down! Tear it down! It's the fascists! Near the fountain! Over to the north! Alexei! Take cover! Cover me, I'm reloading! Enemy infantry! By the tank! Over to the north! Sasha, cover me while I reload! It's an MG-42! Second floor, left building! Sasha, cover me, I'm reloading! MG-42 down the door! Right building on the left! Enemy troops! MG42! MG42! Building 4th floor! Comrade, Lieutenant! Get to cover!
It's the Germans! Near the fountain! Over to the north!
MG42! Grey building, 4th floor!
It's the fascists! By the tank! Northeast!
MG42! 2nd floor, left building! Enemy half-track approaching! Vasily, find an anti-tank weapon and take it out! MG42 out in the square!
Fascists! Near the mountain! Over to the north! German grenade, move! Find some cover! It's an MG42! Near the mountain! To the northwest! Hey, Fritz! We'll throw you out in the street! I got one! I got one!
Comrade Vasily. Looks like our numbers didn't come up today. Not yet, anyways.